Hello and welcome to Faith and Fortune Finance. Are you ready to achieve financial freedom? Are you ready to learn step-by-step budgeting, investing, building wealth, and live debt-free? Faith and Fortune Finance is your go-to channel for Christian finance, biblical wealth principles, and real-world money strategies to help you achieve personal growth and success as a Christian entrepreneur. This channel is designed to educate and empower you with knowledge on finance, wealth building, motivation, and inspiration from biblical wisdom to financial freedom and achieve your dreams. What we cover on this channel: finance and wealth creation. Learn how to build financial freedom using biblical principles and practical strategies. Motivation and inspiration, uplifting messages to help you in overcoming obstacles, push past limitations, and achieve your dreams through success mindset. Why this matters? Here, biblical wisdom meets real-world success. Biblical examples like Joseph managed Egypt's economy and saved nations during famine, Genesis 41. We can use wisdom to create financial freedom and security. Joseph went from a prisoner to prime minister by using wisdom and financial foresight. In the modern world, Dave Ramsey helps millions break free from debt using similar principles. We know of King Solomon in the Bible, the wisest and richest king, 1 Kings chapter 10 verse 23. He understood the value of investing and diversifying assets, just like Warren Buffett, who built generational wealth through smart investments. You too can have biblical wealth. Do you know that the Proverb 31 woman was a real estate investor and entrepreneur? Today, Christian businesswomen like Sarah Jakes Roberts and Priscilla Shira are building wealth while staying true to their faith. What you will learn: biblical wealth secrets, how faith-based figures like Abraham, Jacob, and Job, and Joseph, how they handled money and prosperity. Genesis 13 verse 2, Job 42:10, Genesis 41:46-49. Debt-free living. Escape financial slavery using God's principles and proven strategies. Proverbs 22 verse 7 says that the borrower is a slave to the lender. Just like Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method, using it to escape the bondage of debt. Smart investing and passive income. Multiply your resources like the parable of the talents, Matthew 25:14-30. Just as Robert Kiyosaki teaches in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Entrepreneurship and side hustles. Build a God-centered business, just as Myron Golden and John D. Rockefeller, how they all built very strong entrepreneurship and side hustles, giving and tithing. Unlock supernatural financial blessings through generosity, Malachi chapter 3 verse 10. Much like Chick-fil-A, a faith-based company known for its generosity and success. You may ask, why subscribe? Faith-based financial strategies that align with scripture and success. Real-life examples from Christian entrepreneurs, investors, and leaders. Step-by-step guides on budgeting, investing, and wealth building. Weekly motivation to help you stay on track. Join the movement. Subscribe now and turn your faith into financial freedom. Like and click on bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our powerful content. See you in the next video.